Astrid, you and I have been through everything together.
It's a little bit funny.
Get up! Get me down from here!
You have to give me a chance to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say!
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you.
I don't have much money, but boy, if I did,
I admit it. This is pretty cool.
I'd buy a big house where
Amazing.
we both could live.
That's for everything else.
So excuse me for getting
You really did a
these
wonderful
things I
thing.
do.
Thank you.
You see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever
Just
seen.
rest. We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You just have to keep fighting and hold
And
on.
you can tell everybody
You need to stay with us.
this is your
I
song.
can't imagine a world without you in it.
It
Well,
may
you
be
two are a thing,
quite
right?
simple,
No,
but
just friends.
now
Come
that
on.
it's done,
I've seen the way
I
you
hope
two are
you
together.
don't mind. I hope you don't
Hiccup,
mind
are you still
that
there?
I put
Yes.
down in words
Yes. I'm here, Astrid.
Will you and Tissa stay with me a little while? Just until I fall asleep.
Of course. We're not going anywhere.
If I was a
Look,
sculptor,
Obviously, I can't even imagine what this must be like for you. You're, well, you're Astrid. You're strong and invincible. Astrid, you have me no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a hiccup in Astrid. Always. Never stop worrying about you. That's just the way it is.
I guess that goes for me too.
Hey,
Can I ask you something?
sure.
Back in the forest, were you about to...
So you felt that, huh? I never got away with it.
Well, why didn't you?
It wasn't perfect.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
And you can tell everybody this is a song.
I couldn't have done it without you.
We make quite the team, huh?
I certainly think so.
It's all so new. I just want to share it with you right now, you know?
I hope you don't mind.
We'll tell everyone. I just want the time to be right.
That I put down in words.
Yeah, I know. She's something else, huh, bud? Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?
Deal.
What would I do without your smart mouth?
This was my father's betrothal gift to my mother. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been. And I hope you always will be. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You just being here with me is the only gift I need. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
But I was the first to believe in you. And I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know.
Give your all to me. I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
It won't hurt you.
Worst distraction, my
Hold your hands
rhythm
out.
blues.
Like this.
Can't stop singing.
That's it.
It's ringing.
Let him
in
come to
my
you.
head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections.